This is 7th class 4th unit A reading Tenali paints a horse. That is narration. Look into the books all of you. This is a drama. The incident belongs to the court of Raja Krishnadeva, the king of Vijayanagar. The important character about whose intelligence we know now is Tenali Rama, who is the poet and jester. Jester means clown or joker, okay, in the court, and also other courtiers. Now coming to the incident, one day a painting One day a painter brings his painting to Krishnadevaraya's court. The Raja and almost all the courtiers appreciate the painting, but Tenali Rama looks displeased. When the painter about to say thanks to Raja, Tenali says the painting is not good. Then Raja asks what is wrong with the painting. The painting has two men standing and conversing with each other and a cow sitting with its face on the other side. So Tenali doesn't like this. He wants to see the other side of two men and also the face of cow. Raja replies that everything can't be drawn and we must imagine something, and also he calls Tenali as an ignorant fool. So Tenali bets the Raja that he could paint better than that if he had the paintings. Then if he had the paints. So the Raja gives him paints and paper and also sanctions leave for 1 month. Raja offers him a bag of gold coins if his painting is at least half good as of the painter. Tenali agrees for the bet. The courtiers are happy as they want to insult Tenali and they are certain that Tenali cannot do good painting. But Raja believes that the intelligence of Tenali. After 1 month, Tenali comes to the court with his painting, which is covered after getting a call from the Raja. So courtiers think certainly he must have not done. Tenali removes the cloth. There is an empty canvas. The empty canvas has a few curves and strokes of black on right side edge and a few green lines at the bottom. Tenali says it is a black male horse with a white star on its forehead. He also describes the saddle and also reins. The Raja says that he got insulted as he cannot see the horse. Tenali says that Raja himself told to imagine the thing that we cannot see. So Tenali says that the horse is grazing outside of the canvas as the tail of the horse we can see on the canvas. So the Raja understood the intelligence of Tenali, the cleverness of Tenali, and he announces that he is the greatest painter of the kingdom and also the cleverest man of the kingdom. And also he hands over a bag of gold to Tenali. Thank you.